Stop scrolling. Your finished dream home in Las Vegas is finally available. Step inside a home where every detail has been beautifully renewed. Welcome to 3816 Maurice Court in Las Vegas, a stunning single-story retreat. 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, all thoughtfully arranged on one seamless level. From the moment you enter, sunlight pours into the spacious living area. The living room invites you to unwind, with abundant space for relaxation. Here, gatherings feel effortless, flowing naturally into the heart of the home. A fully remodeled kitchen stands ready for culinary adventures. Featuring sleek surfaces and a design that puts everything within easy reach, whether it's morning coffee or preparing dinner with friends and family nearby. This space inspires connection and creativity. Tucked beyond the main living areas, you'll find flexible rooms perfect for a home office. Spaces that adapt to your lifestyle and ambitions. Each of the 4 bedrooms offers a quiet retreat. 3 modern bathrooms mean comfort and privacy are always close at hand. The primary suite is a true haven, generously sized, with its own private bath. It's a place to start and end your days in comfort and style. Imagine waking up and stepping directly into your own backyard oasis. Outdoors, the expansive 3rd-acre lot is a canvas for your vision. Garden, play, or entertain beneath the wide Nevada skies. This is outdoor living on a scale that's increasingly hard to find. Set in a quiet Las Vegas neighborhood, 3816 Maurice Court brings together comfort and modern design. Here, daily life flows with ease, just a home that's ready from day one. Experience the difference of a fully remodeled, move-in ready home. Schedule your private tour today and imagine the life you'll lead here.